Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a boy named Sam. Sam was always curious and loved exploring the world around him. One day, while taking a walk in the forest near his house, he stumbled upon a wounded bird with a broken wing. Feeling sorry for the bird, Sam decided to take care of it until it got better. He made a cozy nest for it and feed it every day. As time went by, the bird's wing healed and it could fly again. Sam was overjoyed to see the bird's recovery. One sunny day, when the bird was ready to fly away, it sat on a branch near Sam and said, "Thank you for your kindness, Sam. I am grateful for your help. Is there anything I can do for you?" Surprised Sam replied, "Well, I have always dreamed of exploring new places, but I don't know how to get there." The bird smiled and said, "I can help you with that. Hop on my back. I will take you wherever you want to go." Excited Sam climbed onto the bird's back and they soared high in the sky. The bird took Sam to beautiful places he had only seen in books. Sam was amazed by the wonders he witnessed during their journey. Grateful for the bird's kindness, Sam said, "Thank you for showing me such incredible sights. If there's ever anything I can do for you, please let me know." The bird smiled and replied, "Remember, kindness always comes back in one way or another. Just be kind to others, and the world will be a better place." From that day on, Sam understood the importance of kindness, not only to animals but also to everyone he met. He made it a point to help others whenever he could, just as the bird had helped him. And so, Sam grew up to be a kind hearted person who constantly shared acts of kindness, making the world a better place one small deed at a time. The lesson he learned from the bird stayed with him forever, that kindness is a gift that keeps on giving.